Hi everyone. What I want to do today was show you a script that I've developed just recently that uses Python to look into a Gmail account, one that we've got on screen here, look for any new emails. It will then send off the email body to an AI agent, so a large language model, which will look into the body of the email, classify what the email is into a few different classifications that we've given it. So is this a email from a customer asking us to place a new order? So do we expect an attachment to the email with the order on? And do we need to send that order off to Abby's document processing API to extract the data from it and then reply back saying order acknowledged, here's the order number and the information from the order? Or is this an email from a customer that's actually chasing the delivery? They've previously sent us an order, but now they want to know where the delivery is. And oftentimes that's a forward of their original email with an order attached. So we don't actually need to send the document off to the document API at that point. We just need to acknowledge the fact that they're chasing a delivery and kind of get back to them. So very kind of early stage customer inquiry management type process. First one is absolutely an order with an attachment that we're going to process. The other one is a chase. So you can see on screen, I've got that new order email. Please find attached new orders to process. We've got a PDF with that order on it. I'm just going to mark that as unread. And then I'm going to take you across to my other screen where we will see a script that I've got open whereby we'll actually see the script run in real time here, and you'll be able to see the output from that script. So I'm going to start my script off. Then we'll have a look at a minute of the responses in the email as well. What I've done is I've just copied in the same email address to the responses so that we can see those responses come in. So you can see the script's started. It's gone off to that email. It's found that email address, that email inbox. It's found an email with a attachment. It's classified that via AI as a new order. It's uploaded the file to make it accessible to Google. It's sent off the document to our document API that is extracting the data from it. We're now in a bit of a loop, just checking to see whether that process is finished. The information that we've extracted from that document has been returned, and you can see at the bottom of there we've sent a order acknowledgement, and I can just hear that come in. So I will now stop sharing my screen and we will see the output of that. Okay, I'm just going to go back to my other screen, and you can now see that we've got an order confirmation that's been sent back to the customer, telling them, thank you for your order. This is the order number you sent, the date, this is who you are, this is where we'll be sending the order, and just saying the order is being processed. You can see that information looks the same as is on our document here. So the next one that we wanted to demonstrate was this idea of that same order being sent to us, but it being sent on an email where it's a delivery chase rather than a new order, as it were. So that email is now ready for processing. I'll stop sharing on this screen again, and I shall share my script on this screen. And just again, we will process this by running the script. This time you'll see same sort of process, goes off to that mailbox, finds that email, sends off the email body for classification. This time it's going to come back as a delivery chase. Doesn't need to send the document off to the document API this time, but it does need to send that delivery chase acknowledgement. We've received your email. We know you're chasing your delivery. We'll get back to you. Don't worry. So if I again just stop sharing my screen now, and we pop back to my other screen that's got my email client on, you'll see I've now got that delivery chase acknowledgement. Very basic in this case, just to illustrate the point. We've received your delivery email, and we're acknowledging the fact, your delivery inquiry, we're acknowledging that fact. Usually you'd flesh out that email and say one of our agents will get back in contact with you as soon as possible. But yeah, just a very early example of a customer inquiry management type process that you can do quite simply, with a script running on a mailbox, looking into that natural language, sending off the document to AI if we need to. And we're building these this kind of process into our tools at the moment, so you'll start to see this becoming more available, as we flesh this out a little bit. But yeah, wanted to show you the ability to do that process pretty quickly and pretty simply using those tools, that large language model and that document AI. Thanks for listening to this, and I'll see you again soon.